Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how we can add our G Suite email in Outlook using Google Apps Sync. So first of all, go to Start and search for Sync. So you'll be getting the program. Otherwise, you can get it from all programs. Go to all programs and under G Suite Sync, you will be able to see set up a G Suite Sync user option. Here you are going to provide your email address. So you can just type your G Suite email address here. For example, I'm typing my email address here and click on next after you finished. So the next window, it will be asking for your password. So you need to provide your password and click on next. Once you given the correct password, you can click on the I if you want to check which is the password, and after that you will get a window like this. Scroll down and click on allow option, so it will show a window like this. Authorization has been granted. So you have an option to import data from an existing PST profile, but I'm creating a new profile, so I'm not going with that option. Just click on the create profile option and start Microsoft Outlook. So then you will get a window profile name like this. So if you have only one profile, you won't be able to get this option, or you may not receive this window. So anyway, I just finished the the emails. I have added the email successfully. Now you can see on the bottom G Suite Sync taskbar icon will be there. You can just click on it, double click on this one to see what is the status of syncing, whether your contacts, calendar and email has been synced or not. And also you need to make mailbox size limit to unlimited in order to receive all the emails, because in default it will be 1 GB. You need to change it from set mailbox size limit. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.